Hey, guys and girls, welcome to iFactNerd.com video tutorials, and we are discussing computer networking tutorials. And in this tutorial, which is tutorial number 4, we are going to discuss about wide area networks, WANs. We have already discussed about LANs in tutorial number 2 and about MANs in tutorial number 3, and now we are going to discuss about WANs, wide area networks. WAN stands for wide area networks, and let us suppose that we have got a big country, and that country has got 4 cities, and all those 4 cities have got MANs and LANs. So now, and the distance between those cities is greater than 30 miles. Now, if we join the MANs between 2 cities or even MANs between all the cities, then what we are creating is called a WAN or wide area network. These can be joined, as we have discussed, with the help of the communication media. And those can be wire-based or wireless-based or even satellite-based communication medium. And we joined them to share resources. So let us take an example. Let's suppose we have got 2 banks, branches of a bank in one city, headquarters of a bank in another city, and a branch of a bank in city number 3. Now, all the branches would like to share the information with the head office. So, we can create a network between the branch offices and the headquarters, and if the distance between them is greater than 30 miles, then this is an example of a WAN. Similarly, if we have got a business which has got different factories and showrooms in different cities, and they would like to share data among themselves, then this is also an example of a WAN. And guys and girls, do you know which is the biggest WAN of the world? Yes, you are right, it is Internet. And Internet is called the network of networks because usually about 95% of the computer networks of the world, they are joined together with the help of the fiber optics, satellite technologies, ISPs, and all the mesh. We will be discussing about it. They are all interconnected, and they form the biggest network of the world, that is called the Internet. Sorry about that. They are called. This network. This is biggest network is called Internet. So thank you very much, guys and girls, for joining me for this computer tutorial, computer networking tutorials, and we have discussed about the types of the computer networks, and we will be continuing our discussion of computer networks in our next tutorial. Thank you very much. If you would like to read more about computer networks, then please visit iFactNerd.com. I have given examples in my blogs. So take care. Bye bye.